Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Kaseng New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization ni kahitu kalalap ding baka RTI baka bahak kam bahak jam kini jela kam pat day setia ka an hendai ka day ka barsule tang ling ba ka resolution kani kaseng gala berngam bandai mudoi syeng bisar kenang baka sarkar kan penbaik jana ya ka bahak kam bahak jam lani ka job reservation policy
habi a day bat ka job reservation policy ba hadian bagi layo ling bagi source of information bat ki based on ka RTI report ni lalap ba ka job reservation policy hapo ka jela jongi ka day tang ka kot sada lane kata ka resolution ka act lane kata ka lalong ai te de halor kata ka nongrim ba hadian bagi lape je ka to ka resolution ka number PER R new kuwe cispalai bukra ka ba day ka tarik khat iwe khat ndai new QR kabla issue do secretary special jong government of Meghalaya bayi kan ka reservation policy jongga jela Meghalaya hi plat introduce but ka long applicable hadu menta kunjuk baik but hagaju ko por ya kan la modify biang dekat kum ka government notification ar photarek banai besar khat ndai new QR but khat phra khat khat ndai new QR ar santarik khat way khat ndai new kunriu but khat kendai yuk kendai nangta khat kendai tarik benai khat khat kendai prapuai but life tarik benai bispo arajan rio but kabat latest ki amen menakane kadi nyo tarik benai bokra araja kan nyo kata kadi kat kumka RTI kabangi la yo but hagbe dei bat kani pa niwan bat ni pensngo sya ka sarkar balada ka sarkar kamla ban Sna anya kene ka job reservation lane pagtungkalan ska act tengi na kaliang jong kaseng hi yala da prinsai mene but I kong ripana rilong ba in examine bakin pa na menta kasing secretary but next year kinsa yatai but kin yakran halor ya kane te nakaliang ko jongi ka bangi sngo phala kan nadu new fu khat khandai spa new fu ar hadu menta kane ka job reservation kampat long an te kalong ka ai ka ba smuk thamula yakini ki khon samla ki ba wat kam wat jam paling ang ong ba kani ka job reservation policy kampat long an namar ba hakani ka RTI ding ba source of information nila yo ka kransai hangni bega ba hangni la stated ba under which rule is the government of Meghalaya implementing the present job reservation in the state number 1 ni I option A ka cabinet resolution lene ka ordinance lene ka act jong state assembly ne la shujuba be copy of resolution office memorandum kabamot ba hadu menta ka job reservation kamlong an ai kala long illegal kan hanang ni in future ngin sia tungko other done by challenge hapo ko tengin na kalyang jongi ro ni ngin le hi ka ai ka badan kam but ngin move hi shakot lada ka government kam tre ban tungkala act ta habi be but bukan ka percentage lan ne kata ka jingyo bah ni na kalyang jongi ngin num yakran bah re badai bangi kwa sha ban penlong an but andala long an I ka mandate jong u pa ba but kini ki legislator hi ki dei ban thau an but ban thau ya kata ka bah kam bah jam jogi khana but hagani ka member ka representation bi pha si Commissioner jong secretary jong ka jela jong Meghalaya ro nyela krensai badai ban include ya ka higher and technical studies balai ni dawai kata de hakaju hiru hakatuk RTI ba meneru kala krensai ba hoot la ban konthop hendrei kajing kren pat u konrak kongkal ke sangma hapo ka budget session hatu ko pot u ong bamla ban include ya ka higher and technical te ka balong inter alia lene ka balong contradict kadai sisa ka ong ba ding selabo kontrak undang tang ban keren pareng hendrei umtip ike an ke kanun bot umdei uru u balek homework lane study iki kot kisla gibdon hapo ke department tengi na kalian ka jongi lada ka sarkar ka sngo ba kani ka resolution ka jongki kala dei ka an te kamut ka ILP ru ngila yo ka ba kila de pass ka resolution ka anti ruyong ru ke kila de pass ka resolution wat ye ka an cloud an forest but kiwi ka resolution ke bala pass tengi lada ka sarkar ka khen ba kani ka job reservation policy ka dei ka an tangi rumi ken ba baru kai kibala ada pass ke resolution gitu kila long an datang ka prosedur hi jong ka code of law ba nyimla ban file na ka seng dengan ban file personal daga bangi undersign mangi tang ban not on behalf of the organization but kan they na shimet mga batus ketri but na kalian jungi ngin aptang kat ni to portek but ngin file be ka kies khanang ba kani ke pat kapateng kabanwan kan yo syai ka bahak ke jong ka bat kamtami gitu khna kibala nang bal start kibala don hagan ni ka higher and technical kum kiban pulia doctor engineering pat kiwe kiwe ta jongi long kai ka bangi sung phala hadu menta kumbangan suban biang nadu khat khandai nyu puat hadu menta umpat don kita kinong ikmat lani uta u bala kam biala dia bakidai kita ki ejat benrio bakin jakran de kane kai ka bapat e long ngi kwa ban sai ke ni ki khon sabla ba ki pai ba ki kwa jing sai ba bale hadu menta ni dang ya daga resolution dei daga an telada hakani kurkom tengah kerpat ni pai ba u hau arajat ar kulai watnum jet su gitu ki repitas na igni ki jo hi ki nong ikmat hendrei jet be ki balong badang thamai fresh bed what did the only ki repitar ki bla shong san snem post name ki bala rem ki ba krenja ben hendrei ki la de pen i la san post name ki la shed ini san post name ki klem le ye te ngim don dik sani ashu ba ki nang ne shakmat ken kren shu ye kane ba takada ka ba penlong ini bangin kren mangi bernamar ba maki kimtran ye kaneka hok jom ki kon samla ge jadi apa bon kila ye yo semua hi ba ulah clarify ba hamne ulah ongmong I would like to clarify that the point mentioned by the leader of the opposition is obsolete. The concern that we all have, the member had asked a very clear question whether it is a fact that the state job reservation does not include reservation for higher studies, especially in technical lines such as polytechnic, MBBS and engineering studies. As I said, if you read the reservation policy, it does not include that. I am answering very clear that to education that has been asked that does it include or does it not? And the reply is it does not include. The hak iPad if the answer of the above point number 1 is yes to any of the above option given, then in the same rule is being extended for the purpose of admission in the government educational institution including higher and professional studies as well. Shuang be yes. Long ke gani long hadu menta kani kadai ditang ke direct recruitment hagar job reservation claim da franchisee kumno ban penrungi kini ki higher and technical kini na kalang jungi tai hang ne hapo ka representation gila highlight par khot ban penrungi ya kani ka higher and technical education hakatu ka job reservation policy but ban pengkelaan no ikan oh ya katan spesifik kum ka ngalong IP bementa ka start atu kan sini kan poi ka Christmas kan ya tengingin update tek haga January bari nak liang jong ka government lingba I commissioner and secretary la friendship chai ba ila de mentang si forward si secretary jungi but kin se yathir kin se yatai but kin sa penwandor haga tu ka time bomb la hapo January hi la dengim yo any respond naki hadian ka khatsan tare ngingin move back support pot ngim up shu jano la daki jubab hadian do hendrik ai ka bangi de ban le ngin ya bisikmat